Welcome to YouTube and welcome back to Auto Reviews, at the place where we break down the hottest and most anticipated vehicles in the market. Today, we're diving deep into one of the boldest entries into the electric SUV game, at the all-new 2026 Jeep Recon EV. If you've ever imagined a fully electric Wrangler-style SUV built for off-roading, overlanding, and city cruising, a Jeep has delivered. First unveiled as part of Jeep's ambitious electrification plan, the 2026 Recon EV stands out not just as another electric vehicle but as a true Jeep through and through. That means trail-rated capability, rugged design, and go-anywhere performance. Say only now it's powered by electricity. This is a revolution, not just for Jeep lovers but for the entire EV market. Let's talk design first. The Recon EV keeps the boxy, aggressive Jeep look alive with a modern twist. You've got a bold 7-slot illuminated grille, chunky off-road tires, rugged fender flares, and a lifted stance that screams trail-ready. The Recon is built on the Stellantis STLA large platform, which is designed from the ground up for electric performance, and it gives the SUV a solid yet agile structure. It features removable doors and a power-folding roof, a nod to Wrangler fans who love open-air freedom. And yes, there's even a frunk under the hood, offering practical storage for your gear. Inside, the cabin blends rugged functionality with modern tech. The interior is minimalist yet premium. Jeep has fitted the Recon EV with durable materials designed to handle mud, snow, and dirt, while still offering comfort for long rides. A large touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Connect system dominates the dashboard, complete with off-road specific functions like trail maps, tire pressure monitors, and ride height adjustments. Under the skin, the 2026 Recon EV is every bit as capable as you'd expect. Jeep has confirmed it will offer dual electric motors for all-wheel drive, a terrain management system, and locking differentials, a features you normally see on hardcore off-roaders. While exact specs haven't been finalized, Jeep promises over 600 horsepower, a 0 to 60 time under 4.5 seconds, and an estimated range of around 300 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capability is also built in, with 350 kilowatts charging support a day. That means roughly 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. But it's not all about power and ruggedness. The Recon EV is also designed with sustainability in mind. Jeep is using eco-conscious materials throughout the vehicle and aims to reduce its carbon footprint across the entire production process. Plus, over-the-air updates and a future-ready software architecture mean the Recon can evolve with time, making it a smart long-term investment. Safety is another strong point. Expect all the latest features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Jeep is also rumored to include semi-autonomous driving features for both on-road and off-road applications, helping drivers navigate challenging terrain more easily. What really sets the 2026 Jeep Recon EV apart is its identity. While many electric SUVs are leaning toward futuristic, minimal, or urban styling, the Recon stays true to the spirit of Jeep. It's rough, ready, and refuses to compromise on capability. It's designed for adventure, for the trail, for the wilderness, but with zero emissions and cutting-edge tech. So, whether you're a Jeep enthusiast ready to make the jump to electric or a new buyer looking for a vehicle that offers both adventure and efficiency, the Recon EV could be your perfect match. Jeep is expected to launch the Recon in late 2025, with orders opening soon. Thanks for tuning into Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts about the 2026 Jeep Recon EV in the comments below. Is this the electric off-roader you've been waiting for? We'll see you in the next video.